You are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp and login register on a tablet. So before I start, let me quickly uninstall WhatsApp to show you everything. So basically, this is a tablet by Realme. And on the tablets, you cannot use WhatsApp as we use on a smartphone. So this doesn't allow you to log in directly with your phone number. It gives you the QR code and then you got to sync it with your smartphone. So basically in this video I'm going to show you how you can install WhatsApp on a tablet. So it could be any tablet that is not recognized as a compatible device for WhatsApp by WhatsApp and this Play Store as well. So you can see I just installed WhatsApp on my device. This is a Realme tablet. It could be any Android tablet, and you can see I just installed it from this Play Store. And if I launch it from here, go to this by selecting the preferred or desired language. If I click agree and continue, tap on it, it is asking me to link with my phone, scan the code, this code to use WhatsApp on this device. This means this is completely incompatible and it doesn't work that way. So what I need to do, okay, so if you are not able to download install WhatsApp from Play Store, you can go to WhatsApp slash whatsapp.com/android, and from here as well you will have to install the package installer. And once you download it, okay, you'll have to tap on this package installer. This keeps changing all the time, so whenever you are going to download it from here, just scroll up and down and click on the package installer. Okay, so download it from this page, web page, and then you can install it by giving it permission. It Most of the tablets don't allow you to install a third party like non Play Store apps, but you can allow that to happen. So once your WhatsApp is downloaded, installed, go ahead and launch it, select the language, and come to this link with your phone screen, which gives you this QR code. By the way, if you have a smartphone, you can simply go ahead and scan this QR code with your smartphone WhatsApp settings. But if you are kind of not happy with this whole process, and in other case you don't have the phone, you don't want to use the phone anymore, then what you need to do, uh, okay, this is the instruction for scanning this QR code. But if you do not have that smartphone, then you'll have to tap on this three dots on the right top and register new account. Okay, so register right there and then type in the phone number, make sure it is correct, next. Okay, so allow, continue, uh, access contacts, media, device, etc, etc. So it is asking permission. Let's choose this account, email, Gmail account. So okay, let's allow this to to uh, for backup. So I do not have any backup yet, so I'll skip it. Okay, now I can simply type in my name. Okay, so that's my name, and you can see this is going to initialize. So this is how you can basically log into your WhatsApp app on a tablet that gives you that QR code screen to be synced from your smartphone with your smartphone. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment below, and hope this video was helpful for lots of people. Thank you so much.